Hey guys, it's the girl Miss Fluffy back with another video. For today's video, I'll be making oxtail and rice and peas. You don't know Jamaican style oxtail and rice and peas. If y'all want to see how I make it, if y'all want to see how I make this awesomeness, stay tuned. Also, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more awesomeness. If you already subscribed, thank you. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. I really do. Also, if y'all want me to make something, leave it in the comments. Drop something in the comment. I definitely check those out. If y'all want me to make a video or see something, put it in the comments. That's what I'm here for. All right, guys. All right. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Don't you say? Let's get into the video. Also, I almost forget. If y'all like the little eating portion that I do at the end of my videos, most of my videos, please let me know if y'all like that little segment, that little section that I do at the end of my videos for the ones that actually watch till the end. if you don't watch the end, you should start doing that. It's awesome. That's the best part. The whole the whole video is the best part. I'm awesome. Everything I do is awesome. You hear me? Let me stop rumbling my mouth. So let's get into the video. Lego. Bye. All right, guys. So I'm gonna make for y'all some oxtail today. Oxtail. So I already cleaned my oxtail already. I'm not making too much. You don't know what oxtail expensive. Well, this is enough for just one person. So I got my scallion right here. I got some green onion. Nope, I got some green bell pepper. I got some yellow bell pepper. Piece of onion, the one little habanero, scotch bonnet. I know I've been calling it a whole bunch of different names, but it's actually habanero. So I'm gonna just cut off a piece of this. You see that? You don't want to use the pepper in there. Also, my Creole seasoning. I'm gonna add my jerk seasoning. I'm using mild flavor. And like a brownie, my brownie are done. But if I can make that stretch. And some black pepper. Some adobo. Yeah, man. So that's all you need right now, you know. I'm gonna marinate it and put in the fridge overnight. Hey, the longer it can marinate, the better, the sweeter the flavor. Yeah, man. Let's put this thing together. All right, guys. So I just don't cut up. Oh, I also forgot. Garlic clove. I just added one piece of that. Cut up the scallion, the bell peppers, little tiny piece of hot pepper. Whew. And some onion. So first thing first, I'm gonna add my Creole seasoning in that. Sprinkle that in there nice and lovely. Oh man. Then I'm gonna add my adobo. I really need to get some more seasoning options, but hey, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? Oh yeah, that's enough. That is plenty enough. Then I'm gonna add my browning in here. Then mom tells me my browning are done. If I'm the chance, you know them say when things are done, just add some water and that. Stretch that flavor out more. So I'm throw my habanero in there. Little piece of that, you know. I'm not one bowl up. My green bell pepper. My yellow bell pepper. My what am I again? Yeah, man. Oh man, that just fell. So just throw everything in that. Sprinkle out the onion. Remember guys, I'm gonna have to do this last off camera Cause I can't all that time mix up that, you know. You don't know that, one thing at a time. Yes, sir. So mix that around. This look good, you know? Oh man, this looks so good. Oh yes. You know, it's unbelievable. Some people never had oxtail before. They never had it, never tried. I'm like, how do you live and never had oxtail? It is a must. Yeah, Alpha Ave oxtail. You know what I'm saying? I know when I go to the store, I'm like, hey, let me get some fried chicken and put some oxtail gravy over that. I mean, I spend how much oxtail? $14, $15. And then get like 3 little pieces of oxtail meat. I know they found that. But you can't go back to the store and cook it up myself. I get much more and save up all of my money. Alright, so that's it. I'm going to cover this up, put in the fridge overnight. And then tomorrow, we're going to rock and roll. Alright guys, so I just took out my oxtail out of the fridge. Remember I told y'all I marinated overnight. I have some bell pepper, onion, garlic, my adobo, my Creole season. I got all type of stuff up in here. So what you're gonna do, you need, make sure you take off the onions and all the little goodies off of it, because we don't want that to burn up. So right here has some oil heating up in a pan right there. I got the temp on high. I'm gonna just clear these off. Make sure you take off everything. You can add more browning in here. I was running a little low on that, so I gotta be skimpy. Okay, hold up. There you go, much better. I gotta take my time with it. So clean off all of that. It's a real Jamaican style oxtail. Alright, so I'm gonna add these. First and first, this is tough. This oxtail tougher than tough, okay? So alright guys, so I just took everything off. So I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add it in my hot pot. Woo-hoo! But not lie, dear bun up, I get bun up. Put the next one. Woo! Okay, do this quick so you can hurry and cover this pot. Yes. Make sure you take off all the onions, everything off of that. There we go. I'm gonna cut the temp back up. Put that on high. Come on, bad boy. A little bit back about it. Come on. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just cover this up. I'm just cover this up and let it brown completely. So yeah, cover that up. I'm gonna let it brown up. And these beautiful awesomeness, I'm gonna save it to make the gravy. You don't know the nice brown gravy? You need all this awesomeness. Yeah. So I'm gonna make this with rice and peas. You can make your oxtail with gungo. Some people eat it with just plain rice. I can't. I honestly can't eat this with plain rice. It doesn't taste the same. It doesn't feel right. It's not in me. I feel like I'm breaking some type of Caribbean code or some Jamaican thing. I can't eat the oxtail with white rice. Let me know if y'all actually eat it with white rice. Many of them things that I don't like it. It's not for me. It's not my style. So I'm gonna let this cook up and I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, so it's been about 7 minutes. So I'm gonna flip these over. See that nice and brown. Nice and golden brown. Yes. Ooh. If I had more brownie in here, it would have been browner. You could also use some molasses or some brown sugar and throw it in another aisle to get your brownie. If you don't have no brownie on hand. No sir. This look good enough? Me not tell me lie. This look good. You don't know if this look good. So I'm gonna cover it up and actually let it cook for another 7 minutes. All the way through. Alright guys. So yeah, so put that over there. So alright, see that? Growing up. So what I'm gonna do next, I still have the temp on high. What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna add 4 cups of water. 4 cups. That's it. Wow, that's pretty. That's pretty and I'm pretty. But now, like, and I'm gonna add some Creole seasoning in here, just a little bit, flavor up the water. And I have my brownie. Brown is gonna give its color. I added I added some water in there for stretch it. You know, you gotta stretch it just nice and lovely. You see that? You see that brown is there? Yes. So we all look feet. So I'm gonna cover this up because this thing takes forever. This takes forever to cook. So I'm gonna let this cook down and I'm gonna add probably 4 more cups of water in there because this thing tougher than tough. Yeah man. So cook that a quick rundown on the rice and peas. So the pot well hot, so I'm gonna add 3 cups of water in here. 3 cups. Alright, then I'm gonna add 1 can of dark kidney beans. That's what's gonna give it its color. Okay, this is definitely shaking. And I've had a piece of this. It's not the main focus. Main focus is the oxtail. It's just a little quick thing. Honestly, I'm just using, I'm gonna take out about half of this peas after I get the color that I want, and then I'm gonna add like half a cup more water into this because I don't like too much peas in my rice. I don't know if that's just me, if I'm weird about that. I don't like too much peas in my water. I mean in my rice. I'm gonna add some butter. Yes, man. So I'm gonna take out some of the peas when it cooks up some more. I'm gonna add some Creole seasoning, flavor up the rice. Make sure it well flavor. I'm gonna add a little salt. And I'm gonna just let this come to a boil. Then I'm gonna put my rice in there. So come back. Yeah, man. All right, guys. So this, I added 4 more cups of water. Ooh. Oh no! Come on. Ooh. Come on. Come on. There you go. I added 4 more cups of water in here. Hot water. So this can cook down some more. Yeah, man, you don't want no tofu. You don't want no tofu up oxtail. I might have to add 4 more cups of water. You can also use some ice. Ice will help to soften that down. And if you have a pressure cooker, even better. Oh my God. Your life will be so much easier if you had a pressure cooker. But I still have my veggies over here. I haven't put them in there yet. I'm gonna wait till my meat I'm waiting my meat get a little soft. Then I put that in there, and I'm also add some spinners and butter beans. Yeah, man, so come on. Alright guys, to make the spinners, I just added a little bit of flour and a tad bit of salt in here. So I'm gonna do next is just add a little bit of water. Just a little bit. Just mix that around. Come on, spinners. Put some more water in that. Mix that around, yes. Spinners make or break the deal. Make or break the dinner. Love spinners in my oxtail. It's so funny, a lot of people don't put spinners or just, we call it just dumpling, in their oxtail anymore. Couldn't tell the last time I went to a Jamaican restaurant and they actually had spinners or dumpling in there. Some of them barely even have the baked beans. Not baked beans, what do they call it? Oh shit, what do you call this shit? The butter beans. Some of them barely even have the butter beans in there. Yeah, so make sure when you for a real Jamaican oxtail meal, you gotta have your spinners in there. You gotta have your butter beans. Yeah, and that's a true staple. So see flour there? Just put this aside. Yo, only yo, I a bad gal, you know. Did this with one hand, filming with one hand, recording one hand, and I make flow in that next one. I will say, yo, I mean run things, you know? Things don't run me. Yes. So I'm gonna put that. I'm gonna just dab a little more water on this. So I'm gonna just put this aside until it's ready to go in on the pot. You see that? Yes. Just a little bit till you see it small. That's all you need. You don't need a big old ray. That's it. Put that over there. Say it's smaller than that. So come back. Alright guys. So I already took out half of the peas like I told y'all earlier. And I'm gonna add half more cup of water. You know that. And I'm gonna add some. Oh yes. Don't mind me, that's the flour. That's the flour when I was making my spinners. Flour doesn't carry germs, so anybody have nothing to say, keep that to yourself, flour. And I'm gonna add 2 cups of rice. Make sure you rinse your rice, unless it says don't rinse. And I'm gonna add some adobo in here. Also added some black pepper. I know I can't show that. So I added some black pepper in here. So mix that around. And I'm gonna put some aluminum foil over this and then cover it up. And then that will be it. I won't even open it until it's finished. Yeah, man. Alright guys, so here I have the flour. Nice and lovely. I'm gonna show y'all what I mean spinners. You just take a small little piece and you just rub it in your hand like that. Just rub. And you're gonna get this. So this is what we call spinners. You hear me? Just a small little dough rolled out like that. You just take piece, small little piece. Rub. Just rub your hands together. Starting a fire. And that's how you make your spinners. Yeah man, so I'm gonna finish making these and I'll be back. Alright, ooh, yes. I tell you, no, never surprised me. Alright guys, so this been cooking down for forever, about 10 years now. You see that? It's getting a little softer. You gonna pour, you see it's still tough though. Still tough. So this is already 8 cups of water in here. I'm gonna add 4 more cups. So it's gonna bring a total of 12 cups of water. I'm gonna tell you, oxtail is tough. Some of y'all just go get it and eat it. Shit is tough. I'm gonna add my adobo. Flavor up the water some more. See that? I'm just cover this up and go watch some Netflix or something. Okay, don't know, this is gonna take forever. So alrighty guys. So I ended up adding 1 more cup of water in here. So a total of 13 cups of water. Let's mix that around. So now I'm gonna add, it's been a long time overdue, I'm gonna add my seasoning in here. And that's all the onion, tomato, bell pepper, all that good stuff. Let's add that in there. Mix that around. Also, I'm gonna add some ketchup. This right here. Ooh. Add some ketchup in there. Nice and lovely. Nice and lovely. Not too much. Just mix that around. Looks beautiful. Ketchup is gonna help thicken it up. For my butter bean, that's not gonna go in until the end, because it's already cooked. So really just trying to heat it up. You see that? It's kind of easier to poke into. See that? Yeah. That look good already, and I'm not like. I'm just throw my flour spinach, some people call it, in that as well. And I watch my Netflix. So I can cover up that, let that cook down for about what? 30 more minutes. I know this thing take about 10 years done. A long time. This is not no quick cook, guys. So you gotta be dedicated to this, because it's gonna take forever unless you have the pressure cooker. So I'm gonna have one, so that's why it's taking me so long to cook this oxtail tough. So I'm just gonna come back in. Alright guys, let's take a look at the rice. Ooh, yes. Yes, this looks so good. Flip that around. Hold on, let me take these scallions out. Now we don't need it no more. We don't need this scallion no more. Put that over there for now. This looks amazing, guys. And I didn't put no coconut milk in this. Some people thought, well, you have to put coconut milk. No, sir. I'm not put no milk in that. And it still looks good. Looks good to me. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna turn the stove off. And I'm gonna just wait on this tough oxtail for done. Come on. You see that? Come on, baby. Alright, there you go. Much better. Yes. But now I know this so good. That look good up. Jesus. Yeah, man. Make it just cover this up and make it continue to cook. Got the thing look turned up in this kitchen tonight. So come back, you know. Alright guys, so this, I see me always catch me, you know. Let me mix it around. Steam always catch me, see that? Me not lie. Took me about 2 hours 30 minutes to make this. So right now I'm adding my butter beans. I'm gonna just use half of this. I'm just use half of the butter beans because I don't want too much butter bean in my tea. Alright, that's enough. Honestly, I'm not even going to use the rest of that. I'm probably going to throw it away. So mix that around. You see that? That look good enough. Nobody can tell me nothing. Let me put the meat and show you how soft it is. Let me find my way. See that? Right, you see that? That broke off. Let me take that piece here and eat it. You see that? It broke off. Nobody can tell me nothing. Nobody can cross it. Only who understand it can cross it. What do you know about that? This done, you know? Done. The rice done up right just so. See that? Everything done up. Guys, it's, it's not even Sunday. Today what? Today is Thursday. I'm just making this for bring y'all work. And then good up things that I eat. So yeah, man. And good up things here. For sides you can make some cabbage and you can make some plantain. But I'm not doing any of that today. Just something simple. Well, this wasn't simple. You have to put in work. So just cabbage. You can make cabbage. You can make plantain. You can make bok choy, callaloo. I don't know, mac and cheese. You can do that, but you can make baked mac and cheese if you want to. Yeah, man. So this done. I'm gonna put it on low. Matter of fact, I'm gonna turn it off. That's it. The butter beans already cooked. So I really don't need to cook it no more. Just trying to get the heat to get in there. Nice and beautiful. There's the spinners. Nobody can tell me so this doesn't look good. Alright guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more awesomeness. Also, if you guys like when I do the eating at the end, please let me know in the comment if y'all like that little eating portion at the end. Lego, bye.